Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to split the screen on GIGABYTE G7. To do it, you need to open at least 2, but up to 4 apps. And they can be like several windows of the same app or different apps. So let's open the Microsoft Edge and the File Explorer app first. And you can just either start moving it around and it'll display this bar at the top, and you can select where to put this window on. Since this display is so big on this laptop, you can even set it to like 3 windows side by side, so it's also pretty great. So you have all of these options right here. You can also hover over this maximize button and select where to put it, or move it all the way to the right or all the way to the left and release. It'll also put itself on the side, then it'll ask you what to put on the other side. If you want to use 3 windows, for example, then you can simply move one of them to the corner. And now let's open any other app, like let's say settings, and I can also move them to the corner, and this is how it all looks. By the way, you can resize them, so they all 3 of them will get resized at the same time. It also comes pretty useful, and you can also even put 4 windows in the same time. So let's maybe open another File Explorer and put it in the corner. So this is how you can use it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.